Hello and welcome to another update video on XRP. I'm here currently on the shorter time frame and we can see that XRP continues to move sideways in this broader range. The market has not yet given us any strong confirmation or indication that a meaningful low has been established. As I said in the last videos, we really need a 5-wave move up that reaches at the very least, $3.09, $3.10. Hasn't happened yet. We're currently still caught, you could say, in this correction, which it might be over. Yeah, in the yellow scenario, I can make a case for it. It doesn't look like a clear bottoming structure. I'm therefore very, very skeptical, okay? But support at around $2.65 is still holding. Honestly, we're in a range. I know I've been telling you the same stuff for the last month or so. I can't change that, unfortunately. I can only present you the data, which really hasn't changed overall. And obviously, what does a range stand for? It stands for indecision. So the market hasn't really made up its mind yet. And the message remains the same. And I have to repeat it again and again, because it is what it is. The message is that the market remains in a correction, in a pullback, and we need a 5-wave move up on a local time frame for us to really consider that a low on a local time frame has formed. We haven't so far seen any 5-wave move up. The bounce from the August low here ended as a 3-wave pattern. This year looked a little bit more like 5, but it was also a 3-wave move. And this year, I don't know what you think, but this year is clearly 3, at the moment at least. This could develop into a 5-wave pattern if we're following the yellow scenario, if we're following here the idea maybe of a diagonal structure to the upside. Super speculative. It's clearly only a 3-wave move up, as you can probably see. What I'm tracking here from this meaningful low, potentially meaningful low, is a wave 1 and a wave 2 and an A, B, C. That would be the third wave. Third wave should get to the 138% extension level at least. Yeah, that's the $3.05 level. Then a wave 4, then a wave 5. That gives me 5 waves to the upside. And that can give me a first indication that the market has actually put a meaningful low in place. Then afterwards, we can track the corrective pullback and we can call that a 1-2 setup, from where then the market could eventually grind higher. However, as you can clearly see, we're kind of stuck in a range here. The market is trying to do something. We had a reaction today to the swing low from yesterday, but not really a very meaningful reaction. So it remains my view, we need 5 waves. As long as we don't get that, this here remains a very, very vulnerable chart. Very, very fragile. Clearly, it can find a way to move higher even in 3 waves, but then the risk is always that this is the white count in a larger B-wave pullback. So I think we have the next upside levels to watch there, $3.02 to $3.10, but $3.10 should be reached in 5 waves or it's not meaningful. And to the downside, we've got that area around $2.65 as first key support area. Doesn't mean we couldn't break it. I think it's quite likely it will be broken. But at the moment, the market is trying a local recovery. We can really only take this seriously if we get a 5-wave move up. And don't forget that the $3.40 level, the green line, this is really the meaningful resistance line. Anything that happens in this range is only really relevant for range traders, not for those who want to be involved in the next larger move up, because this is the daily chart. The $3.40 level is really what has been, what has kept the price down, And we need to get a break above this green line to unlock prices in the $5 plus region. A confirmation for a breakout doesn't happen by a micro 5-wave move up to $3.10. We need a decisive break above $3.40 for that. So that's the update on XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, check out our membership options to join us on Discord. And also feel free to follow us on X for charts, news, and much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.